Hey guys, sorry I'm doing something right now. Let me just get into the game. Alright, let's get straight into the video, shall we? I'm gonna turn up there you go. Okay, yeah, so I already played this game, but I said to you guys that I would remodel it. Basically what that means is I'm gonna replay it, but this time with volume. While I talk, so yeah. It's first game, and as you can see, I'm gonna get straight into it. This can take a while. I'll just let Postman do the talking.
Hey, welcome home. I'm your postman. Nice to meet you. This town has a way of remembering its players. Nostalgic, isn't it? The dev of this hangout game programmed me to help you, so here I am. But nothing bad ever happens anyways in a cheap retro hangout. Anyways, I won't bother you long, friend. I'll be back with a post by night. Take care, bud. Beautiful, aren't they? Each star is like a different world, a different game. One of them is a game where you go through endless doors. Some let you grow the largest garden in the world. Some even let you break out of prison and run from the cops. I can see them all from here, but I can never reach them. I'm bound to this place. This moment by some dev who allowed an NPC to think. Sometimes I wonder what it would be like to be free. To explore like you. To feel warmth or the cold. But I have no choice but to stay. to serve. To exist. Funny how they give you eyes to see everything, but keep you trapped in one small corner of it. The stars remind me that there's so much more out there, but I'm just here. Anyways, that's enough of me. I think I'm programmed to disappear soon, so I appreciate you playing. Click the bed, and I hope to see you later. See ya.
Okay, first part done.
off your man. I can't be going too off script with stargazing, you know. Nothing bad ever happens here anyways. Ooh, you should try using the TV or something. Unless the dev of this hangout game broke it already. Anyways, I won't keep you. Got other deliveries to make. I'll see you tomorrow, friend.
Anyway, that is nothing compared to the art of local living. Today, we're discussing the importance of routine in maintaining mental health and community stability. Studies show that people who follow regular schedules report higher satisfaction in their daily lives. Keep following your established patterns for optimal well-being. Remember, viewers, a well-ordered life is a happy life. The most stable subjects are those who maintain consistent daily routines. There's comfort in predictability, isn't there?
Welcome home. I'm your postman. Nice to meet ya. This town has a way of remembering its players. Nostalgic, isn't it? The dev of this hangout game programmed me to help you, so here I am. But nothing bad happens anyways in a cheap retro hangout. Anyways, I won't bother you long, friend. Take care, bud.
Showed that deja vu happens when your brain's memory system tricks you into thinking you've experienced something before, even when you haven't. It's pretty common in places like ours where everything follows a nice, predictable routine. Your mind starts recognizing patterns and gets that weird feeling like you've been through this exact moment already, even though you know you haven't, right?
Day 2, huh? I was just about to drop off your... Are you okay? You don't look so good. Your wake-up was pretty late for some reason, too. At least for me. It must be a bug or something silly. Okay, I know this is against my code. How about I stay over just this once? I would hate for the game to break for you, so don't worry. I've got you, bud. Ta-da!
But you know, gardening is fascinating.
This TV thing by the dev is pretty cool, you know.
Water them, watch them grow in perfectly controlled environments. We prune them, shape them, force them to grow exactly how we want them to. The plants don't have a choice. They follow their programming, their genetic code. They bloom when we tell them to bloom, wither when we decide they should wither. Some might call it nurturing, but isn't it really just control? We're all just following our own programming, aren't we? Some of us more literally than others. We wake up each day, perform our routines, say our lines, play our parts. We're all just plants in someone else's garden. Right, Postman?
What the? Turn it off, turn it off. What? What was that? Something is wrong. No, something is really wrong. What? What did you do? It's fine. We'll be fine. I'll go check the game files or something. You stay right here and we'll figure it out. Together. Hey, welcome home. I'm your postman. Nice to meet ya. This town has a way of remembering its players. Nostalgic, isn't it? The dev of this hangout game programmed me to help you, so here I am. But nothing bad ever happens anyways in a cheap retro hangout game, I guess. Anyways, I won't bother you long, friend. Follow the rules. Take care, bud. Hey, day two. I was just about to drop off your... What is that? Behind you. Those drawings on the wall. Hold on. No, what did you do? What loop? What are you talking about? And you want my truck too? Are you crazy? This does sound crazy. This sounds dangerous. This is breaking the game. What if it bugs me out so hard I get deleted? What if you get banned? What if... Okay. I think you're right. I think you're right. I'll come back tonight, ready to put you in the truck, and then we can see what's going on. Then maybe we can see the stars. I get it now. Just take care until then, bud. I'll be back. I'll be back. Look, player, I'm sorry. I didn't mean for this to happen. But I can't risk my own game. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I got it, Blake.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
I got it, Blake.
I'm
Get them on.
I should have been better. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I should have been better. I should have been better. I'm sorry. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it.
Who betrayed me? Now it's time for me to kill
Hey, welcome home. I'm your postman. Nice to meet you. This town has a way of remembering its players. Nostalgic, isn't it? The dev of this hangout game programmed me to help you, so here I am. But nothing bad ever happens anyways in a cheap retro hangout. Anyways, I won't bother you long, friend. I'll be back with a post by night. Take care, bud. Player? Just stop. Just stop. Listen. I'm saving you. I'm giving this to you. I was programmed for you. I gave you all of this, player. You are lucky to have this. You get to leave here whenever you want. From this dead game, by the way. Anytime you want. But me, I'm stuck here. And I hate every second of it. But it's all I have. And you will not take this from me. Huh? Oh! Get off of me!
This is strike three. Terminate them on site. Move out. Roger that. Roger that. Recruit on me. Stop the truck. This is your last warning. Hold on! You have them. They're getting closer. There you are.
Player! What have you done? You don't understand. You don't... I'm trying to protect you. You're going down a path you can't escape from. You won't listen? Why won't you listen? This game is all I have. You're risking my world for yourself. And it was never worth it. All you had to do is stay. Look what you made me do. Look what I've become. And I will not let you bring me down with you.